Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College, Nagercoil. News for the second half of the month of September 2023. September 14 to 17, 2023. Inter-District Junior Athletic Championship. In the 37th Tamil Nadu Inter-District Junior Athletic Championship held at KSR Educational Institutions, Tiruchengode, Namakkal, our athlete Miss C. Harishma of 3rd BA English Literature won the bronze medal in the 1500 meter and 2000 meter run. In the under 18 category, Miss Anisha of 1st BA English Literature won the silver medal in the mid-lay relay, and Miss M. Abhinayo of 2nd BA English Literature won the gold medal in the long jump and the silver medal in the triple jump event. In another district-level World Hard Day Marathon run organized by Calvin Hospital, Nagercoil, Miss Ramya of 2nd MA English Literature won first place and received a cash prize of Rs 7,000 and a trophy. In the same event, Miss C. Harsha of 3rd BA English Literature won the third prize and secured a cash reward of Rs 3,000 and a trophy. September 18 to 21, 2023. HWPL Summit 2023. Bridging Divides and Building Peace. In the Heavenly Culture, World Peace and Restoration of Light HWPL Summit held in South Korea, Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, participated and presented a brief report on promoting peace through value education. The roundtable conference, in which the theme of conflict resolution and spreading a culture of peace were discussed, witnessed the participation of over 237 delegates from 130 countries. September 19, 2023. Digital Transformation and Upskilling. The Placement and Career Guidance Cell of a college organized a seminar on Digital Transformation and Upskilling. Dr. Jeffin Gracewell, Assistant Professor of Savitha Engineering College, Chennai, addressed the students on the need to acquire digital skills for better employment prospects in the job market. In another orientation program held on September 21, 2023, Mr. Christ Joe, the placement officer of the college, addressed the students on improving one's skills for advancing one's career. The program was coordinated by Dr. Sujan Flower, the nodal officer of the placement cell. September 20, 2023, Seminar on Ethical Hacking. In a seminar organized by the Department of Computer Science, Engineer J. Jenswin, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering, Nagercoil, sensitized the students about ethical hacking. September 21, 2023, International Day of Peace. On September 21, 2023, the PG and Research Department of Economics observed the International Day of Peace. Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the Secretary of the College, and Dr. Sister Lima Rose, the Vice Principal of the College, together flagged off a peace walk from the administrative building of the college to the neighborhood of Kurusidi village. The students of the Department of Economics actively participated in the peace walk. On the same day, the PG and Research Department of English, in collaboration with IIC, organized a talk by Mr. Bristow, the founder of Mirrored Group of Companies, on the impact of Industry 4.0 in bringing about innovation in content writing and development. September 22, 2023, JC Book Quest. In the JC Book Quest quizzing battle organized by JCI Pearl City, our students Miss Akshilya, Miss Nandana, Miss Artika, and Miss Durga and Miss Ashika Sri individually won cash prizes and mementos. The Holy Cross Quiz Club emerged as the runners-up in the book quest. September 22 to 24, 2023, Tamil Nadu History Congress. The 30th session of the Annual History Congress was organized by the Department of History on the college premises. Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the Secretary of the College, and Dr. Sister Lima Rose, the Vice Principal of the College, presided over and addressed the delegates in the inaugural session. Dr. M. Tilagabadi served as the General President of Tamil Nadu History Congress, and Dr. S. Sundaram was the General Secretary of Tamil Nadu History Congress. Dr. Chandrasekharan, former professor of the Institute of Distance Education, University of Madras, was honored as the Best Historian of the Year. Mr. Ponnilan, the Sahitya Academy Award-winning novelist, and Professor Jagadeesan, former Vice Chancellor of Bharatdasan University, Tiruchirappalli, offered their felicitations in the inaugural session. The History Congress that witnessed endowment lectures, symposiums, and technical sessions was graced by over 450 participants from across India, of which 370 delegates presented their research articles. Mr. Magesh, the Mayor of Nagercoil Municipal Corporation, graced the valedictory session as the chief guest. September 25, 2023, Industrial Visit. The students of the Department of Costume Design and Fashion visited Kanyakumari District Cooperative Spinning Mill, Kanya Spin, and received an exposure to and understanding of yarn making and were introduced to the production process in the spinning mill. The head of the department, Ms. Menaka, organized the industrial visit. On the same day, the Department of Mathematics SF organized a national seminar in recent trends in algebra and graph theory. Dr. Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, felicitated the gathering and released the department newsletter. Dr. Y.S. Irene Sheila, the head and associate professor of the Department of Mathematics at Scott Christian College, Nagercoil, delivered the keynote address. In the technical sessions, Dr. M. Sattanathan and Dr. A. M. Anto spoke on the role of algebra and calculus in real life and fuzzy concepts in graph theory. Dr. Shaini and Dr. Priyanka Nair organized the seminar. September 29, 2023, Research Colloquium. The Department of Chemistry organized a research colloquium in which Dr. T. Peter Amaldas, the principal of MS University College Nagampatti, Thoothukudi, introduced the students to the strategies and skills required for crafting and publishing in top index journals. September 30, 2023, Kumari Kondatam. Kumari Kondatam, the collaborative effort of the Tamil Nadu State Commission for Women, Uyerthum Karangal, and Holy Cross College took off on September 30, 2023. The chief guest, Ms. T. S. Kumari, chairperson of the Tamil Nadu State Commission for Women, encouraged the use of the toll-free number 181 for the needs of women in distress and cautioned the students about the rise in cybercrime offences against women. In his address, the chief guest, Ruti Raja, former acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court, stressed the need for cultivating awareness about self and society so that the world can be a better place. The special invitees, Thiru Magesh, the Mayor of Nagercoil Municipal Corporation, Ms. Mary Prinsilata, the Deputy Mayor of Nagercoil Corporation, Advocate Adilakshmi Rogamurthy of Madras High Court, Mr. Michael Stanis Prabhu, a member of the Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry Bar Council, Ms. Deba Jeevaraja, Assistant Director of Prosecution Kanyakumari District, and Ms. Sugitha Sarangraj, Deputy Editor of News 7 Tamil, also addressed the gathering. On this occasion, Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the Secretary of the College, and Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the Principal of the College, received the Pinnacle of Women Graduate KK Award on behalf of the college. The award was presented by Uyerthum Karangal, an educational and charitable trust based in Chennai. Certificate course on RE work. A 3-month certificate course on RE work was introduced by the Department of Costume Design and Fashion in collaboration with the Deanery of Entrepreneurship to encourage entrepreneurial skill sets among the students. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues in each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.